Content analysis next. Content analysis is a research method used to systematically analyze the content of various forms of communication, such as written text, audio, images, videos, or online content. It is quantitative or qualitative approach depending on how the data is analyzed and interpreted. Content analysis allows researchers to extract meaningful insights from large volume of data and understanding the patterns, themes, and characteristics present in the content. Here are the key steps involved in content analysis. Define research objectives. Clearly define the research objectives and research questions that the content analysis aim to answer. Next is sample selection. Determine the source of content and how you will select a representative sample for analysis. For example, if you are analyzing news article, you might choose a random sample from different newspaper or specific time periods. So the second step here is sample selection. Determine the source of content and how you will select a representative sample for analysis. For example, if you are analyzing news articles, you might choose a random sample from different newspapers or specific time periods. Data collection. Collect the content to be analyzed. This could involve gathering written text, transcribing audio or video recordings, or downloading online content. The content should be relevant to the research question. Coding scheme development. Develop a coding scheme, a set of categories that will be used to systematically classify the content. The coding scheme should be exhaustive and mutually exclusive, meaning each piece of content should fit into one and only one category. Coding. Apply the coding scheme to the content. This involves systematically reading or viewing the content and assigning codes based on the predefined categories. The process can be manual or computer assisted, depending on the scale of the analysis. Data analysis. Once the coding is complete, analyze the code data to identify patterns, frequencies, and associations among the categories. The analysis can be quantitative, involving statistical measures, or qualitative, involving thematic analysis or interpretation. Reliability check. If multiple coders were involved, assess the intercoder reliability to ensure consistency in coding. This step is crucial to establish the trustworthiness of the analysis. Then is interpretation. Interpret the finding is the context of the research objectives. What do the pattern and themes in the content reveal? How do they answer the research questions? Next is drawing conclusion. Based on the content analysis result, draw conclusion and implications related to the research questions. Discuss the significance of the findings and how they contribute to the existing knowledge in the field. Reporting presents the finding in a clear and organized manner. The content analysis should include a detailed description of the research methods and coding scheme, the analysis process, and the main findings. Content analysis is a versatile method that can be applied to a wide range of research areas, including media studies. Content analysis is a versatile method that can be applied to a wide range of research areas, including media studies, marketing research, social science, and more. It allows researchers to gain valuable insight from large data set and understand the prevalence and patterns present in the content being analyzed. Content analysis benefits and challenges that we'll discuss. So there are some significant advantage for small teams. You don't need to directly interact with participants to collect data. The process is easily replicable once standardized. Then you can easily automate the process or perform it manually. It does not require high investments or sophisticated solution. On the downside, content analysis has certain limitations. When conducted manually, it can incredibly time consuming. The results are usually affected by subjective interpretation. Manual content analysis can be subject to human error. The process is not effective for complex textual analysis.